very good morning everyone, and yeah, it's around 11:30 a.m. in the morning. So luckily we survived, and we survived this typhoon. I hope you also better now, because as I know, many people was very scared, very worried about this typhoon situation, and lot of people already has to face this situation as well. And in my case, I was little concerned about this typhoon because I never experienced this typhoon situation ever in my whole life. So this was my first time in Vietnam to face this situation, this typhoon situation ever. Okay, and as I know, so it was the biggest typhoon in last 10 years. But anyways, we survived. We faced I think the situation was better than China at least. And yeah, it was very windy and very heavy storm especially in the night after 12 a.m. and lot of distraction, lot of things was like vanished, and yeah, lot of distraction happened. So anyways, now I am outside, and now I just want to show Ocean Park here, like how it looks like now after this storm, after this typhoon. Luckily I was in I think on a right place, so I didn't have to face that much like many people face. Lot of thunder, lot of storm, lot of noise, like very scary thunder. Because I talked with some of my friends and they were very really scared, especially with the thunder. But I think the Ocean Park, especially this residential area, these buildings, I couldn't hear that much sound unless if I open my windows or if I am outside. Okay, so yeah, so I think it was okay. And now everything seems so normal. So now I'm going to show you, yeah, from where I should. Okay, so here if I want to go, I can see it's already fallen there, so I cannot go there. So maybe I should go somewhere else. Let's go walk this way. Yeah. So this is how this beautiful town looks like after a storm. But I saw some pictures from the old quarter, from city center in Hanoi, and I think it's more worse in city center area. You can see the trees on the road. To walk this side. Wow, a huge tree already fallen on the road. Then you can understand how scary it was in the night. Lot of vehicles also damaged here in this location, because I saw some pictures. Oh, probably he's looking for his bike, which is under tree. Okay. Wow, wind is so cool after the storm. Life is back to normal now, but still I think the people has to do and fix a lot of things, especially in the old quarter area. Not here, not that much. People are doing photo shoots with the trees. It's so funny. This area, this location quite spacious, very well organized. That's why I feel like it's not that much destruction here. But if you go, or like if I will get the chance to go to the main city center, then probably it's more uh, worse situation compared to Ocean Park. So normally what I see in this location is like only fallen trees, and some vehicle got damaged because of the storm, and because the trees fallen on that vehicles. That's why I saw this type of situation. But if I talk about like main city center, old quarter, or like the old Hanoi, if I say, so many old houses, many old buildings collapsed totally. Many people injured, many people died. But here we normally see it's all about the trees here. So that's how it is now, the situation in Ocean Park. I hope you got some information, and I hope also you understood the situation from the Ocean Park after this typhoon situation. And now I can see some of my friend is recording some videos here. Wow. How are you?
Making video.
Yeah. Because of the typhoon situation, I thought like, okay, maybe I should go out and then, yeah, feel the weather, and I also see the situation here. Yeah. How it was?
Yesterday I went outside with a farm from somebody patient house.
Uh-huh.
On roadside, not that much. Here, why these trees are not natural growth? They build on other side.
Yeah.
They put then soil also. They artificial soil.
That's why
That's
it's
where
the all trees are fallen.
falling. other outside not that much problem.
Yeah. But I saw some videos in old quarter. Many old houses, many traditional houses collapsed. Here I see only the trees. You can see the situation of the trees. Good. So yeah, I met my friend here from Bhutan. He's a doctor, yeah, Ayurvedic doctor, and yeah, he's treating some patient. He already treated some patient like Vietnamese patient here. He did some give like best treatments, and that's how many people got recovered very fast, especially from the COVID situation. So yeah, I met always to him like accidentally. So yeah, I will give you more updates from the old quarter side, and whenever I will get the chance. So now all about the situation I already introduced here. Let's see you in the next video. Just subscribe my channel and we will meet up again. Thank you. Bye bye.